I would like to ask Dr. M. Jadoo sir for the principal's address.
Respected President of Genba Sopanrao Moje Trust, Honorable Sri Rambhau Moje, Dr. Naravade, Professor Abid Ali Sheikh, HOD of IT Department, Professor Munmun Das, HOD of ENTC Department, all faculty members of IT and ENTC Department, dear parents and students. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome all of you to the portal of Parvatibai Genba Moje College of Engineering, Wagholi, Pune. Our mother body is Genba Sopanrao Moje Trust. In working in Pune since 1985, we have colleges and schools at Eroda, Wagholi, Balewadi, Saroli on Alandi Road, Lohgaon, Danori, Vadgaon City. The idol of our Genba Sopanrao Moje Trust is Vituraya, समता समानता बंधुभाव याचं मूर्तिवंत उदाहरण आणि तोच समता समानता आणि बंधुभावाचा संदेश आमच्या कॉलेजमध्ये आमच्या ट्रस्टमध्ये एक्झिक्यूट केला जातो. कमिंग टू पार्वतीबाई गेनबा मोजे कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग वाघोली. The college is being started in 2006. We have best academics and the best results. Some of our students have bagged gold medals from the SPPU, Savitribai Phule Pune University. You have got information of all the head of departments, professors and the staff members. Coming to me, I have total 41 years of experience. I was first in Shivaji University in 1977 and winner of YP Power Prize. 1978, again first prize, that is Vanson Thermax Prize. I have total 41 years experience, out of which 21 years is at Walchand, and here I am working as principal. The state-of-art equipments, laboratories, co-curricular activities, and major thrust on the placement of the students that you might have got the information from the presentation of Abid Ali sir and Dr. Naravade sir. The major activity supportive for the placement that we are conducting is the IIT Bombay spoken tutorial. In spite of lockdown, no students coming to the college. From September to December, our students bagged around 600 certificates, and in this semester on 25th, 27th and 30th January, around 250 certificates are again bagged in this semester, and next examination of IIT Bombay spoken tutorial is in the next week on 15th and 17th of February. We are doing all this with the intention that earlier programming and coding was supposed to be the business or duty of computer and IT engineer. But nowadays, with the automation and digital age and information technology age, programming and coding is the must part, compulsory part, mandatory part for every engineer. And therefore, through IIT Bombay spoken tutorial, we are giving this opportunity to all students, not only computer IT, but mechanical, civil, and ENTC branch students. Now, you are coming from after completing diploma to our college. So some changes are going to take place in your everyday life and in your academics. Your location might get changed. Your friend circle will also change. As you might be coming away from your home, your food habits are needed to be changed. Some students may be coming from rural to urban area. Earlier, you might be familiar with percentage scheme, and now you have to come with the credit system. Now these 3 years, AC, TE and BE is your investment period for future career life of 40 years, around 40 years. because I have completed 41 years of service and I passed the BE in 1979. So multiplying factor for 3 is around 14 times returns you will get in the coming years. In these 3 years, you have to make a transformation. Amulagra badal, zameen asmanacha farak, and for that purpose, you have to change every day some percentage, and that will make you the transformation of your life from SC to BE, and you will get the campus placement in BE. Because we have all supportive activities for your knowledge, then skill set and the personality development, all round development. During the freedom struggle of India, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose made an appeal to the youngsters of India that you give me blood, I will give you freedom. On the same lines, I will make you an appeal on the behalf of Team Parvatibai Genba Moje College of Engineering that you give us attendance, we will give you handsome offer letters in your hand before completing B. For your placement, we have our tie-up with Maharashtra Center for Entrepreneurship Development, MITCON District Industries Center. We have in our college Entrepreneurship Development Cell. We have Data Science Club, Python Club. In addition to these co-curricular activities for extracurricular, sports, zonal and interzonal of SPPO, various sports clubs are there around the college. We have our annual social gathering, Tarang, and recently we have started with Industry Institute Partnership Cell, and that is being headed by Dr. Narode. Coming to the placement, there are 3 types of the placements. Number 1 is through the campus drives, that is criteria, 50% throughout, 55% throughout, 60% throughout, or some companies are no criteria companies also. After that, you will be required to give the aptitude test. If you clear the aptitude test, you will be required to face group discussion, and then there will be technical and final HR interview for that. There is one way out for this system also, that is there are some project competitions or the technical competitions, just like TCS CodeVita or Wipro Elite, Quest Ingenium, Tata Mind Rovers, KPIT Sparkle, and if you show your technical caliber, if you show your technical expertise through all these competitions, you will be permitted directly, you will be going directly to the final round of placement process, that is the HR interview. And for that purpose, as told by our heads of the departments, we are encouraging our students to take part in such project competitions on regular basis. There is also one more outlet for the placement, that is internship based placement. And in my opinion, I don't call student as poor, academically poor or academically higher level, but I call them as average, advanced and excellent students. Those who are having good subject knowledge and skill set, they have to go for higher and higher package. For example, TCS Ninja, it is a package of 3.5 years, 3.5 lakhs. TCS Differential, it is a package of 5.2 lakhs per annum. And TCS Digital, depending upon your knowledge and the skill set, TCS Digital is a package of 7 lakhs per year. So I request the advanced and excellent students to go for higher and higher package. For supporting the placement activity, we are member of colleges, member of Federation of Training Placement Officers, member of Maharashtra Training Placement Officers Association. As college is being located at the at the center of Magarpatta, Kalyani Nagar, Eroda, that is software industries, major software industries of the Pune, and the mechanical, civil, electrical companies at Ranjangaon, Chakan, Shikrapur and Bhosri. We organize HR meets on the regular basis. When you will come to the college, I will be coming to your class. We'll be talking about the placement plans, placement blueprint, supportive activities, and how you can go for higher and higher package before completing your B. In SE Part 2, you will be required to complete IIT Bombay spoken tutorial certification of C, C++, Python, because coding is now must for or required for mandatory for every engineer. Then you will be required to do soft skill certifications, MOOCs online certifications, TE Part 1 and TE Part 2. You will be given aptitude training, English proficiency training, group discussion training, coding, advanced coding, and MOOC and mock interviews also. In BE, there will be company specific training as per the company drives, which will start from your BE, that is 2021 you will be in SE, 21-22 you will be in TE, and 22-23 you will be in BE. And I assure you that by December 22 around 30% students will get the placement. By April 23 another 30% will get the placement, and by July 23, that is before your BE result is out, around 90% students will get the placement, and 10% we are keeping for entrepreneurship and the higher education. Whether this is going to happen one fine morning, no, it is not going to happen आपोआप, कारण तुकाराम महाराजांनी म्हटल्याप्रमाणे असाध्य ते साध्य करिता सायास कारण अभ्यास तुका म्हणे. किंवा आणखी एक त्यांचा अभंग आहे, ओले मूळ भेदी खडकाचे अंग अभ्यासाची सांग कार्यसिद्धी. याच्यासाठी कोणतीही कठीण गोष्ट, कोणतेही अवघड काम पूर्ण होण्यासाठी विवेक, वसा आणि निर्धार, मन, मनगट आणि मेंदू जेव्हा एकत्र येऊन काम करतात तेव्हाच आपला मोहीम फत्ते होते. कोणते त्यासाठी शक्ती, युक्ती आणि भक्ती याचा त्रिवेणी संगम व्हावा लागतो. प्लेसमेंटसाठी लागणारी शक्ती आणि युक्ती आपणाला टीम पीजी मोजे सीओई देईल, आपल्याला ट्रेन करेल. तुम्ही फक्त भक्ती म्हणजे तुमचा अटेंडन्स आम्हाला दिला तर ह्या सर्व गोष्टी निश्चितपणे वास्तवामध्ये येतील. इट इज नॉट डे ड्रीमिंग, इट इज दी ब्ल्यूप्रिंट, इट इज दी एक्सपिरियन्स बेस्ड प्लॅनिंग फॉर गेटिंग दी प्लेसमेंट. तुम्ही तुमच्या स्टुडंट लाईफमध्ये एक 2-3 वर्षापूर्वी, नक्की मला साल आठवत नाही, तुमचा सर्वात आवडता चित्रपट सैराट अनेक वेळा पाहिला असेल. परंतु सैराट ज्या निसर्ग नियमाप्रमाणे गोष्टी घडतात, वयोमानाप्रमाणे घडणारच असतात, त्यासाठी सैराट होण्याची अजिबात गरज नाही. सैराट व्हायचं असेल तर त्या आपल्या करिअरसाठी बीई पूर्ण होण्यापूर्वी आपल्या हातामध्ये 2-3 कंपन्याची अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर्स असण्यासाठी सैराट व्हावं अशी माझी तुम्हाला नम्र विनंती आहे. आणि सर्वात शेवटी आमची जी टॅगलाईन आहे पीजी मोजे सीओएची, बेस्ट एज्युकेशन विथ कॅरेक्टर, कल्चर, हेल्थ अँड प्लेसमेंट. कॅरेक्टर अँड कल्चर इज मस्ट, because just now I told that I will be coming to your class to discuss about the placement, co-curricular and extracurricular activities and take a feedback from you every month along with all those activities. प्रत्येक महिन्याला तुमच्या कानावरती एखादा अभंग पडेल आणि त्याच्यातून तुमच्याकडे असणार कॅरेक्टर आणि कल्चर आणखी वृद्धिंगत होईल. सर्वात शेवटी मी एक भागवत धर्मामधली, भागवत धर्म म्हणजे वारकरी संप्रदाय, ज्ञानदेव महाराजांची ओवी, तुकाराम महाराजांचा अभंग आणि एकनाथ महाराजांचं भारुड, त्याच्यामधली एक प्रार्थना म्हणून दाखवतो मी तुम्हाला. आणि ही जर प्रार्थना तुम्ही तुमच्या डेली लाईफमध्ये एक्झिक्यूट केलीत, जर तुम्ही ती जगलात, तर तुम्हाला निश्चितपणे दैदिप्यमान यश मिळणार, याच्याबद्दल मला पूर्ण खात्री आहे. ती प्रार्थना अशी आहे, जे साध्य शक्य आहे ते निर्धार ते कराया. कॉलेजला वेळच्या वेळी येणं, सर्व लेक्चर अटेंड करणं, वेळच्या वेळी असाइनमेंट लिहिणं, वेळच्या वेळी इंटरनल परीक्षा देणं, वेळच्या वेळी टर्मवर्क पूर्ण करणं, हे सर्व साध्य शक्य आहे. याच्यामध्ये अवघड काहीही नाही. परंतु हे सर्व करण्यासाठी निर्धार करावा लागतो. ताटामधलं जेवण सुद्धा पोटात जायचं असेल आणि ते जर व्यवस्थित पचायचं असेल त्याच्यासाठी तुमची इच्छाशक्ती, निर्धार गरजेचा आहे. बऱ्याच वेळा काही गोष्टी आपल्याला टाळता येत नाहीत. जे टाळणे अशक्य आहे दे शक्ती ते सहाय्या. ज्या गोष्टी आपण टाळू शकत नाही ते आपल्याला सहन करण्याची शक्ती मिळावी म्हणून आपण परमेश्वराला प्रार्थना करतो. आता तुम्ही गावाकडून कदाचित पहिल्यांदाच पुण्याला येत असाल, घरच्या आईचं हातचं जेवण सोडून तुम्हाला इथलं मेस मधलं खावं लागेल, हे टाळणं अशक्य आहे. तर ह्या सर्व गोष्टी आपल्याला, आणि पुण्यामध्ये आलं की पुण्यामधलं ट्रॅफिक, पुण्यामधल्या सर्व हे, तर त्या गोष्टी आपल्याला हे करायचं आहे. किंवा मध्यंतरी आपण ती कोरोनाची साथ सुद्धा टाळू शकलो नाही, त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला आपली इम्युनिटी पॉवर जशी वाढवावी लागली तशीच आपली बाकीच्या गोष्टीतली प्रतिकारशक्ती वाढवावी लागेल. त्याच्या पुढचा त्या प्रार्थनेमधला भाग आहे, मज काय आहे शक्य, काय आहे अशक्य, माझे मज कळाया, दे बुद्धी देवराय. म्हणजे आपला अप्रोच, आपलं टार्गेट नेहमी रिअलिस्टिक, प्रॅक्टिकली पॉसिबल असलं पाहिजे. स्मार्ट टार्गेट म्हणजे स्पेसिफिक, मेजरेबल, अचिवेबल आणि रिअलिस्टिक अँड टाइम बाउंड. असं जर तुम्ही स्मार्ट टार्गेट ठेवलं तर तुम्ही निश्चितपणे यू विल गो आउट विथ फ्लाइंग कलर्स. मीन्स यू विल गो आउट विथ 2-3 अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर्स ऑफ द कंपनीज बिफोर completing your BE. Thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.